Hey, so when you are running an A/B test on an element that is shared across multiple pages, such as your navigation bar or your footer, or if you are running on an e-commerce site, you can also test out different elements on your PDP pages. So from here, as you can see, we have different products, right? So all of the product, they share the same layout, as you can see. So all of them share the same layout right here. And so if you are, for example, if we are just testing out to change the button text, so you can actually use a wildcard in your page targeting rules within MIDA, and it will let you to effectively testing hundreds and thousands of pages very quickly. So all the pages that have that elements, they will be applied to it. So I'll show you really quickly on how you can do that. So first of all, just copy this URL, and we'll create a new test really quickly. A new A/B test right here, testing multi pages. So we wanted to run tests on this page with product empty bird, for example. Next, visual editor. And from here, we are on our visual editor. And within the visual editor, we can just make changes. For example, we can change this buy it now. Edit elements, we'll just change it to something else. Let's say get free shipping, for example. Save that, get free shipping. Save and continue. Now, when we go to preview the changes, so right here we are on the empty bird URL, and it is get free shipping. Okay, this is fine. And if we are going to another PDP pages, for example, this very cool pants, right? So from here, as you can see, it is revert back to the original version, which is buy it now. So how do you make it that all of these PDP pages that will share the same changes as the cool sleeveless shirt? And as you can see from this is also buy it now, right? So from here, all you needed to do is, as you can see, all the URL, they are sharing the same structure, which is the domain name followed by products followed by the product name. And all we needed to do is just follow this, support wildcard multi-pages targeting with asterisks, and you can just change this part that is dynamic to with an asterisk, which we also call it wildcard. So it will match everything that whatever that is in here. So we'll just save this. And after we have saved that, and we can try to refresh these preview pages. This preview page, as you can see, it is now showing the variant get free shipping. And all of the pages that will also share the same changes now, get free shipping. So yeah, and so I hope this helps. And I hope this helps, and hope this can help you to generate a bunch of testing changes variant on your e-commerce site very quickly. And yeah, I hope this helped, and see ya.